Welcome back for day 4 of the most important basics in K-pop, bounces. Today we are learning a different type of bounce. It's a forward back bounce and it's going to practice our diagonal line. So we've been working on C shapes the last few days. Now we're going to go to a diagonal line. Okay, so face aside just like before. Okay, and we're going to lean forward. Keep the back straight, keep the legs straight. Just lean straight forward, okay? And your chin's going to come out nice and long, almost like you're trying to get a straight line all the way from your chin to your hips, okay? Nice and long. Okay, we're going to come up to the center. Good, good. Now, bend your knees and start to lean back. Now, very important, do not arch the back, okay? Don't lead with your head, lead with your hips, okay? Lean and back, okay? The shoulders are going to come in a little bit to stop your back from arching. We want to protect the back, okay? You don't have to go back really, really far. Just a little bit is okay. Protecting the back is the most important thing. And bring the chin in because that protects the neck, okay? Feet should be on the ground. You shouldn't be, again, if you're leaning like this, you're putting pressure in the back. Feet grounded, hips forward, shoulders in, chin in. Very good. Lift to the center, long forward. There we go, nice and straight. Again, through the center, bring it back. Don't arch the back, don't arch the back, don't arch the back. Bring it long forward. Good, through the center, bring it back. Good, bring it forward, nice and long. Through the center, bring it back. Okay, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. That is how we practice a forward back diagonal. Well done. I will see you tomorrow for the upgrade.